I just wanted to remind you to meet me at the staff station tonight at 6. I can't wait to see you. I have a little surprise for you. So I hope you're having a nice day, and see you then. Bye.
All I do is just for you.